High Court orders swift resolution to Gauteng's NGO funding crisis amidst departmental disarray. In a decisive move characteristic of its oversight role, the Johannesburg High Court has intervened in the ongoing funding crisis plaguing non-profit organizations, NPOs, in Gauteng. A staggering number of these entities, despite having inked service-level agreements, have yet to receive their promised funds from the Gauteng Department of Social Development, leading to a perilous instability within the sector committed to social welfare. On a recent Friday, drawing the court's attention was the Gauteng Care Crisis Committee's litigation against the department. This voluntary consortium champions the cause of unpaid NPOs and criticized the department's erratic funding dispersal. Judge Ingrid Opperman's ruling gave the department a non-negotiable 3-week deadline to clean up its act, shedding light on the alarming financial governance within. The seriousness of the mismanagement is underscored by the Gauteng Treasury's fiscal allocations. A definite R1.9 billion, R223 million less than the preceding year, was earmarked for NPO transfers, a sum now proven inadequate due to administrative bumbling. Despite proclamations from Premier Panyaza Lesufi and Gauteng Finance Mech Lebogang Mail promising increased budget allocations, clarity on actual disbursements remains elusive. Moreover, the forensic audits that precipitated this chaos have unearthed critical procedural failures. Originally intended to streamline and purify the funding process post-2018 discrepancies, these audits instead disrupted it by leading to the suspension and controversial reinstatement of key officials, centralizing control, and introducing less experienced personnel into pivotal roles. The outcomes have been disastrous: severe delays in payments and an overall breakdown in communication, pushing several nonprofits to the brink of closure. Complicating matters further, the High Court has also demanded a fast-track processing and clear communication regarding pending applications. Judge Opperman's directive includes a full disclosure by the department on the 2nd of December about additional Treasury funds and the immediate settlement of partial payments previously issued. This legal intervention also crystallizes the broader implications of this fiasco. Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Social Development has echoed the judiciary's concerns, advocating for a budgetary increase from the National Treasury, not just for Gautaholic social programs in response to these systemic inadequacies. The Gauteng Department of Social Development is now under stringent orders to not only rectify existing financial commitments, but also substantiate the exclusion of certain entities from funding, particularly those implicated in historical audits, yet awaiting clarity on their charges. Judge Opperman's ruling has thus set the stage for a rigorous revamp of how social development funds are allocated and managed in Gautaholic, aiming to restore integrity and efficacy to a beleaguered system. Thank you for choosing Satori News.